Welcome to Insight Wire News. Today we delve into a concerning story affecting food safety and public health across the United States. In late September, a severe E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's quarter-pounder hamburgers began to surface. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reported that one person has tragically died, with dozens more falling sick. This outbreak has spread across 10 western states, with a significant number of the 49 cases primarily in Colorado and Nebraska. The seriousness of the situation has led to a drop in McDonald's share value by more than 6% after hours as the fast food giant grapples with the crisis. Initially informed by the CDC about a potential link between its quarter-pounder burgers and the outbreak, McDonald's took swift action to pull the implicated menu item from restaurants in the affected areas. Despite these efforts, the impact continues to grow. The company reported that, as of the last update, roughly a fifth of its U.S. restaurants have stopped selling the quarter-pounder burgers. McDonald's is working closely with the CDC, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to investigate the source of the contamination, which is suspected to be either the slivered onions or the beef patties used in these burgers. As this fast-moving investigation progresses, the CDC has conducted interviews with 18 people with confirmed cases, where most of them recalled eating a quarter-pounder before becoming ill. The agency is now advising anyone who has consumed a quarter-pounder recently and developed symptoms of E. coli poisoning, such as severe diarrhea, a high fever, and vomiting, to seek medical attention immediately. Symptoms generally appear 3 to 4 days after exposure, with most people recovering within a week. However, some cases can become severe and require hospitalization. Joe Erlinger, the president of McDonald's USA, appeared on NBC's Today Show to reassure the public, stating that the affected ingredients are likely out of the supply chain, and it is safe to eat at McDonald's. The company emphasizes its commitment to food safety, highlighting protocols like daily temperature checks and hourly hand washing for employees. This outbreak is part of a broader issue as foodborne illnesses are reportedly on the rise in the U.S. According to recent CDC data, infections from E. coli and other pathogens like Campylobacter and Salmonella are well above federal targets for reducing foodborne illnesses. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story. Your safety and informed awareness are our top priority. Thanks for joining us today on Insight Wire News. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.